Hey guys, it's Black Valley Tyler here again, and today I'm going to be bringing you a format wars. Let's just hope he's actually playing Dino Rabbit. Sorry for the lack of videos recently. My ear is infected for a little, and I'm in Brampton with my brother and my niece, and yeah. And I can't really record at my brother's house, so wait, no, gotta set the bluff first. So his windups aren't regular windups. I know I'm not gonna get looped here, so I'll just end. There's no point in, I can't summon him, and there's no point in summoning him, so it's all good. Oh my god, of course he opens heavy like me. Now I have no plays. Yay. No Catastrophe here too. No Veiler, which really sucks. Everyone heavy's so early now. They just like hit you with two heavies and then, or I mean, use heavy for two back row, like which I'm gonna do. Oh, that's a neat draw. Oh well, let's heavy storm first. Oh, I'm so lucky. That vanity's emptiness would have hurt. Oh, that's not a good draw. Man. I'll do this first. Banish. Two grave. Let's go into Thought Ruler, because he's my favorite one from this time. Effect. Roll die if it's... Now I'm going to attack with this, so I gain 1,000. Oh, okay. Then he's going to search, and I'm going to end. Let me just see what he searches before I do anything. Alright. Wow. Wow. Five? Wow. This isn't good. I think I lose this. Earlier I had a duel with him, Dino Rabbit versus Tele-Dad, and I beat him pretty badly. I was just sitting on Thought Roller, then I went malicious E-Tele, then he booked my malicious, and then next turn I drew into another E-Tele, and then went Stardust, and he mid defeat. But yeah. I'm pretty sure he got this. Let's see what happens. Oh my god, no, that's not good. He's at 22, I believe. $1,500, $1,900. I don't even know what can save me. Probably a D draw, then that's dark hole and something else. But that's not even gonna help me. That's not good. That does not help. And that is game. I'm just gonna have another one with him just for the fun of it. Done siding. You might notice that it's 41 cards and only this is pretty good. And only lost my train of thought. And only 12 extra card slots, but I sorta net decked this. So everything that's there was from a winner of a YCS. So I figured it must be good. I discarded malicious, so set that, and let's hope I draw into E-Telly and then I can just go off. Even if my graphic goes off, then I can just go off too because I have the dad. Grapher effect to graveyard. Where's something else I could put in grave? Not much. Shouldn't be putting another malicious. You know what? I'll just put he's not playing hunter, so DD Curl is probably gonna be dead. And that's 3. Then special the dad. Prio, because I have Prio. I don't see why he's omitting defeat, but okay. Let's see what his back row was. MST, Starlight Road. That's probably Magician. Oh yeah, that's pretty bad. Yeah, I got that one. And just for the sake of it, we'll do a third one. How long is this video? 9 minutes, not bad. So if I stay home, I'll be making a lot of videos, but if I go back to my brother's house, it will be kind of a lopsided thing. Like, I'll have videos up a lot, then I'll have none. Then I'll have a lot, then I'll have none. But we'll see what happens. Probably more videos than less. Oh, that's nice. No Valor in this deck. Can you imagine if this stuff was legal, like Crush Card and everything? And Dad at 2? And stuff like that, you know. Oh, that's pretty cool. But for now, just gonna sum this. He probably has a. I don't want to use brain control as a bait out. Either I don't know. I'll take my chances. Go ahead. No MST, no MST, no MST. I know he has the Starlight Road, but no MST. Yes, no MST. I have the brain control just in case he does too much. That's okay. Yep. So then he gets a special twice. I think I have a pretty good hand though. Let's see. Yeah, he goes Soldier. Then level 5, then level 4. This is gonna be a big surprise to him then. He's going Tears. If he doesn't go Tears, he probably loses this. He went Tears. Oh well, I can still. This card cannot be destroyed by card effect, so I can still. Mally. Crush card. Okay. He still dies. And neither of them die. That sucks. Oh well. I can still summon Doomlord and then. Too late. No. No. I'll take 26. Oh, why couldn't you be there last turn? Oh well. It's normal summon him. Effects. Banish him. Aww. I have Prio. 100 life points. Take that. Wait. I said he can't take back his stuff, so I won't. I'll just do this. And go Android. I was hoping he would activate the torrential. But oh well. Yeah. I'm gonna judgment that. That's what, 2300. Oh, I just realized. Forgot about effect. Feels like she doesn't even have effect. Her effect, I never use her effect really, but it looks like it's going to be going ham. Let's see what he does. Why is he still viewing banished? There's nothing in his vanished area. Can he still attack? This guy's going. Okay, yeah, he can still attack. So I take 200. This card's effects can only be applied/resolved while it has XYZ materials. There we go. Yay. Yay. Banish. I think I should go, Stardust first, then summon that by banishing another melee. Then summon Stardust. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Not serious. Since I messed up, I might as well just... Red Dragon! Wait, how much attack? Yeah, Goyo! 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 First time I ever actually got to play Goyo. Oh, wait, no, he's level 6. Aw, I forgot. He's level 6. I'm not. So I guess I have to go Red Dragon or Thought Ruler. Or Colossal, actually. When this card is destroyed by battle and sent to the graveyard, you can special summon one more. Um, I'll just go. Oh, damn it! All right. I fight Judgment T tarantulas. I'm just going to omit defeat. Oh wait, I'll just Judgment. That's half of 33. Admit defeat. And that's it for today. All my misplays there at the end. Should have hit the dad first. He activates torrential. Special summon. Cause you would warning. Our judgment. To judgment. I go thought ruler. You go torrential. What's that? Let's see what that is first. Let's see what that is before I end this video. Or not. Anyways, thanks for watching. Sub if you liked the video. Even though I lost and I suck at Tele-Dad. But it's okay. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe, like, share, tell your friends. And hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. See you later.